We decided to go with AWS because they were the strongest cloud provider out there. They provide the most tools. Security for us is a very concerning factor. And with VPCs and EC2 security groups, it was really a no-brainer to use those. My name is Fong Nguyen, and I'm the co-founder and VP of R&D at Gilt Group. Gilt Group is an online website that provides insider access to top fashion brands at up to 70% off. And it's first come, first serve. So the faster you are, you'll have higher chances of getting what you want. Gilt started off running our IT environment in a traditional data center. We quickly expanded with our traffic. Our applications grew quickly as well. As a result of the company growing, we started investing heavily in microservices. We would run anywhere between 30 to 50 services on a single physical bare metal machine. If one application was noisy, they would affect the rest of the services that were on that machine. Early in 2015, we had decided to move over to AWS. AWS provides a great environment for microservices, and the reason for that is you're able to contain each of your applications into one instance. It was actually very straightforward to migrate to AWS. We run over 1,000 JVMs, or Java Virtual Machines. The mapping to move over to AWS was simply creating 1,000 EC2 instances. Move the JVM to run in the new EC2 instance, and that was really it. It was really straightforward. We chose to use VPCs and EC2 security groups, as well as elastic load balancing. These tools together provided a very secure environment to run a production stack. You are completely locked into a private network that is not exposed to the public internet. With EC2 security groups, you get to choose which ports you want to have open, what sort of ingress and egress rules you like to have on there. And that gave us a very flexible solution to lock down and secure our environment. At Gilt, once we moved to AWS, we were presented with a lot of different tools to use for deployment. And one of the tools that we decided to use was CodeDeploy. CodeDeploy allows us to deploy our software in a very easy manner without worrying about the infrastructure side of deployment. In traditional deployments, when you deploy, you're worried about taking a particular node out of rotation, upgrading that software, and then putting it back in rotation. With CodeDeploy, this is all done for you. AWS has made a tremendous impact on our technology organization. We give full access to all of our developers to their own AWS accounts. They're able to use all of the latest, greatest tools that AWS provides, and they have full control over the technologies they choose and how to deploy them. This has made their development cycle increasingly fast, resilient, and without error due to CodeDeploy.